If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To calculate a value to show within a drop-down or text field in a form in Acrobat, open a form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. If you added a drop-down or text field to a form, then double-click the field to open either the drop-down properties or text field properties dialog boxes, respectively. Then click the Calculate tab to set the value of the field to a calculation you specify. The field shows the result of the calculation from values within other form fields. If desired, to set this field to Read Only, check the Read Only checkbox on the General tab to ensure a user cannot change the value in this field to ensure it only shows the result of the calculation. To remove a calculation from a field, select the Value is not calculated option button. This is the default option. To show the sum, product, average value, or minimum or maximum values from other form fields, choose the Value is the option button, then use the adjacent drop-down to select either the sum, product, average, minimum, or maximum choice. Then click the adjacent Pick button to open the Field Selection dialog box. Then check the checkboxes of the field values to use for the calculation and click the OK button. Alternatively, to show the result of a calculation using simplified field notation, select the Simplified Field Notation option button. Then click the Edit button to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. Then type a calculation using simplified field notation into the text field shown here. Simplified field notation references the field names in the form and combines them with standard mathematical operators like the ones used in Excel, for example. Note that referenced field names should not contain spaces or special characters to ensure ease of use with referencing in calculations. If you insist on using spaces or special characters in field names, you must place the JavaScript escape character of / before any space or special character within the field names when referenced in the calculation. For example, a field named text space 1 could be referred to in a calculation as text / space 1 by using the JavaScript escape character. Simplified field notation uses standard mathematical operators and order of operations, including parentheses. You can also enter numeric values into the calculations you create. Creating a calculation using simplified field notation is like creating a formula using simple formula notation in Microsoft Excel. For example, subtracting the value of a field named text2 from the value of a field named text1 can be written as text1 minus text2 within the JavaScript Editor dialog box using simplified field notation. After creating your simplified field notation calculation, click the OK button in the JavaScript Editor dialog box to apply it. Alternatively, to show the result of a calculation using a custom JavaScript calculation script, select the Custom Calculation Script option button and click the adjacent Edit button to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. Then type a custom JavaScript calculation script into the text field or copy and paste one into the field. This option lets you use full JavaScript to perform more complex mathematical operations on field values. Then click the OK button when finished. You can then click the Close button in the Properties dialog box when finished. To set the field calculation order for form fields in Acrobat, Click the Options button in the upper right corner of the Fields panel in the navigation pane at the right side of the form window when using the Prepare a Form view. Then select the Set Field Calculation Order command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Calculated Fields dialog box. Any calculated fields in the form are calculated in order from top to bottom in the list within this dialog box. To change the order of the calculations, select a calculated field name in this list, and then click the up and down buttons to the right of the list as needed. To apply the field calculation order you set, click the OK button in the Calculated Fields dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.